channel AK Tutorial. As you know that we are doing exercise 9.4. हम exercise 9.4 कर रहे हैं. 9.4 में से we have done first question. First question हमने clear कर लिए हैं. Okay. Now we have to do second question. Before that, I want to know that are you getting all these questions which I am teaching these days? Are you understanding? There is no any problem, no dots. Okay. Now let's proceed question number 2. अब हम question number 2 को देखते हैं. Here telling find the product and we have to find the product. Product means simple, we have to multiply as we have done in question number 1. Okay. Let's see how to find its product. कैसे find out करते हैं. Solution first का 5 minus here telling 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. 5 minus 2x को 3 plus x से हमें multiply करने हैं. Just look here. This 5 will be multiplied. 5 will be multiplied by 3 plus x. Okay. Then minus 2x को multiply करेंगे. Once again 3 plus x से. So now look here. 5 3 is 15. 5 plus 5 into x plus 5x minus 2 3 is 6. 6x. Now plus minus minus 2 into x 2x square. So here 15 now just look here, plus 5x and minus 6x. What will be? Plus minus minus 6x में से 5x को minus करेंगे, we will get only minus 6 minus then minus 2x square. Got it? अब हम इसे ascending way means according to power इसे arrange करते हैं. 2x square minus x plus 50. Got it? Are you getting this? Is there any query? Now let's see the second question. The second part here telling a square plus b and a plus b square. We have to multiply it here. अब हम क्या करेंगे? A square को once again a plus b square से multiply करेंगे. So just look here. Let me have partition कर देती हूँ so that there may not be any problem. So a square, we will multiply a square with a plus b square and plus b with a plus once again a plus b square. Got it? Then a square into a, what will be? A cube. Then plus a square b square. Then plus a into b, ab plus b square into b means here having power 1. Okay, so b square 2 power and 1 power, b cube. Got it? Now okay, now there is no any like term here. यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा like term नहीं है जिसे हम add और subtract कर सकते हैं. So this is the answer of the what? This is the answer of the second part. Got it? Now let's see. अब हम देखते हैं fourth part. Third is similar, just similar to first and second. So I'm teaching the fourth part. Let's see first of all. So p square once again p square को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2p plus q से इस बाइनोमियल से 2p plus q. अगेन माइनस q स्क्वायर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सेम वे 2p plus q से. Got it? Then we get here p square and here 1 2 1 2 and p पे कितनी पावर 1 and 2 3 2p q. Got it? Then once again plus here p square into q, so p square q. Then here minus q square into 2p. What will be? 2p q square. Then plus minus minus q square into q. Then q पे power 3 minus q to power 3. Got it? Is there any question, any terms which are like? क्या कोई like term है इसमें? No, there are no any like term. So this is the answer of the fourth part. ये fourth part का answer है. Got it? This is the answer of the fourth part. I hope you will be getting it. There is no any query. Now let's see the third question. हम third question देखते हैं. Now let's come to the question number third. Okay. Here telling simplify. We have to simplify these monomials, binomials. Okay. So let's see how to do. कैसे करते हैं इसे? You know. Same way x square minus 5 को हम पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x plus 5 से. x square will be multiplied by x plus 5. Then minus 5 को भी हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x plus 5 से. Got it? Then plus 25. X square into x. What will be? X cube. Plus 5 into x square, 5x square. Minus 5 into x, 5x. Plus minus, minus 5x are 25. Plus 25. Now just look here. Plus 25 and there is also minus 25. Okay. Opposite side plus minus and same value. So it will be crossed. Plus 25 minus 25 will go. Okay. Now what is left? X cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is the answer of the first part. Now let's see the second one. Once again same way a square से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे a square into b cube plus 3. Then plus 5 will be multiplied once again b cube plus 3 से. फिर plus 5 से भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे b cube plus 3. Then add here plus 5. A square into b cube. What will be? A square b cube. Now plus 3 into a square, 3a square. Plus 5 into b cube, 5b cube. Plus plus plus. 5 3s are 50. Got it? Then plus 5. Now a square b cube, 3a square and 5b cube. There is no any like terms. Like terms इसमें कुछ नहीं है, कोई भी नहीं है. But only we have to add 15 plus 5. ये है. So write down here a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube. 15 plus 5, 20. Got it? So this is the answer of the second part. Are you getting it? Is there any doubt? Now let's see. अब हम आगे प्रोसीड करते हैं. Once again a plus b को हमें c minus d से मल्टीप्लाई करने हैं. So a को हम once again मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे c minus d से. So a into c minus d. Once again b into c minus d. Same here plus a into c plus d and minus b into c plus d. अब माइनस b को भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे c plus d से. Then plus similar. Now once again same. 2 will be multiplied by ac, 2ac. And once again plus 2 into bd, 2bd. Got it? Now here, now a into c, ac minus a into d, ad plus b into c, bc. Got it? Plus minus minus b into d, bd plus a into c, ac plus ad minus bc plus minus minus bd plus 2ac plus 2bd. Got it? Now just look here. Like terms को हम ऐड करेंगे. Add or subtract whatever. Here just look here. AC and AC. How many AC? 2 AC. So write down here 2 AC minus AD and plus AD. Same value. It will be crossed. Got it? We will write together. एक साथ written करेंगे. Okay. Minus BD and minus BD. Minus minus plus. But sign will be minus. Minus 2BD. Got it? And here is also given 2BD. Plus 2BD. Okay. Now just look here. Plus 2BD and minus 2BD. It will be crossed. Plus 2BD को minus 2BD से हम क्या करेंगे? Cross कर देंगे. So what is left? Only 2AC and 2AC. When we add 2AC and 2AC, we will get 4AC. 4AC. Got it? So this is the answer of the third part. Now let's see the second part. अब हम second part को देखते हैं. Okay, let me rub it first of all. इसे मैं rub कर देती हूँ because it's getting congested over here. So let me write down here the sixth question. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. Now look here. When x is, अब हम x को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई प्लस वाई स्क्वायर से, इस ट्राइनोमियल से. x इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. तो वंस अगेन प्लस वाई से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. गॉट इट? नाउ लुक हियर, x इंटू एक्स क्यूब. नाउ प्लस माइनस माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर वाई प्लस एक्स वाई स्क्वायर. Got it now? Then plus y into x square y x square plus minus x into y square minus x y square. One here power, one here power, two power. When it is multiplied, x y square y into y square plus y cube. Two power and one power, three power. Now look here x cube. ठीक है, x cube है. So write down here x cube. There is no more x cube. Now x square y and x square y both are same. So plus minus value same है. Okay, so it will go with this plus minus crossed. Now x y square plus and x y square minus. So it will also go. What is left only? Only answer is x cube plus y cube. Got it? So this is the answer of the sixth part. Okay, getting it? It's too easy. Now let's see the seventh part. हम seventh part को देखते हैं because जो हमारा means fifth है, जो और भी जो parts हैं the same है. Okay, now let's see the seventh part. Since we will have to rub it because there is no space. Now let's see the seventh question, seventh part of question number 3. Here 1.5 means this binomial को हमें trinomial से multiply करने हैं. Okay, so 1.5 को हम सबसे पहले इस trinomial से multiply करेंगे. So write down here 1.5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Then minus 4y will be once again multiplied by 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Okay, minus 4 minus 5x plus 12y. Got it? No. 1.5 when you multiply it, okay, you will get 225. Okay, आप multiply करके देख सकते हो. 12 2 and decimal after 2 digits 2.25. दो डिजिट के बाद decimal आएगा ना 1 2 2.25. So 2.25 x into x square plus 15 4 जा 60. Decimal after one digit. So 6.0 x y plus 15 3 जा 45. So 4.5 x. Got it? हमें वन डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल पुट करने हैं, so just put it. तो नेक्स्ट प्लस माइनस माइनस 15 4 जा 60. So डेसिमल आफ्टर वन डिजिट 60. 6.0 xy प्लस प्लस माइनस माइनस 4 4 जा 16 y स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस माइनस 4 3 जा 12 y. Once again here minus 4.5x plus 12y. Got it? Now here 2.25x square. There is no like term. ये like term और नहीं है. So note down करेंगे 2.25x square. Here 6.0 means 6. Okay, 6.0 means ये 0 कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. 6xy plus में and 6. Whatever 0 here you can understand 6. These and these are same. Plus minus, so it will go. Got it? Here also plus 4.5x and minus 4.5x. It will also go. So it will be next. What is coming? Here plus 12y and minus 12y will also go. Okay, plus minus crossed, same value ho to. Okay, then what is left here? 16y square plus 16y square. Okay, so this is the solution of this seventh part. Okay, I hope you will be getting it. It's too simple. You can understand. It's too simple. Is there any doubt? No any problem? So I'll meet you in my next video with next exercise. Till then, go on practicing and be tuned. Bye bye.